So here I made chapati. This is my chapati. This is not a regular snack in Nigeria at all. This is not the regular Nigerian snack at all. So watch to the end and see. Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. So on today's video, I made chapati from the scratch. So here I am measuring my flour. I use all-purpose flour for this recipe. So that's my flour. I use 1 tablespoon of butter. I use the regular butter, golden penny. So because I wanted to make a little quantity of chapati. So now I'm mixing the butter with the flour, and I added a little bit of salt. You can add sugar if you want to, but I don't think chapati requires sugar. You may be wondering where I got it from. I learned this when I traveled to Cyprus. So I actually shared room with Kenyan students. So this is why I got to know what chapati is. So then I added my water. I used warm water. So if you're making chapati, use your warm water, and I mixed it very well as I knead it very well. So this time, after now, I will have to cover it for 15 to 30 minutes. So for the chapati to be a little bit soft and then rise a bit. So here I will cover it for I covered it for 30 minutes. Okay, so please watch this video to the end and see it. And please, if you are seeing this video if you are coming across my video for the first time, kindly subscribe to my channel, comment also, and like it. Give me your leave your comment in the comment section, whatever you think about this snack. So now I'm kneading it now. I'll have to cut it into smaller pieces, like into smaller balls, okay, and mold it into a ball. So I have like 7 little balls. After this now, then I will now have to roll it out. Okay, can you see how I'm cutting it? This is how to make your chapati. So here, this is layered chapati. So you watch this video to the end, please, and see how it come out. If the layer actually came out very well. Now I have to knead it. After this process, I will roll it. So I need this process will actually make the layers come out. I'm supposed to grease it here with oil or butter, but I didn't do that. I think I forgot. So after this now, I will do all of those balls I cut into this. Then I'll now have to knead again. Okay, so here are the pieces I have already done. Please watch this video to the end. Comment and leave your thoughts in the comment section. Tell me what you think about this snack. The next now, I'm going to start kneading it. All right, here it is. I'm flattening it out into a round shape. Okay, right. So I will have to flatten all of them to a round shape. Chapati doesn't need any. It doesn't need much ingredients. Just your all-purpose flour, then sugar if you want, then a pinch of salt and butter. Okay. Now I've flattened all of it. So I have like 6 pieces flattened. The next is to heat my pan on the fire. I use a low heat. Okay, you don't need high heat. You don't need the fire to be burning very high. So low heat, so that the chapati will not burn. All right, please watch this video to the end. If you are coming across this video for the first time, kindly subscribe to this channel, please. I use oil, so I will need a little oil. You don't need to fry it like you fry egg. You fry your plantain, so a little bit oil just to grease the pan. You can also use butter to grease your pan. Okay, so I use a little bit oil just to grease the pan. Then I place this chapati in the hot pan. So you will have to be turning this, I think, in the 10 minutes, 10 seconds interval. Okay. So you do this until the chapati bubbles from the top, then you flip it over. Kindly watch this video to the end. Leave your thought in the comment section. If you are coming across this, if you're eating chapati before as a Nigerian, please let me know your thoughts. Let me know how it is. Let me know what you think. Can you see the layers already? So if you look closely, you can see the layers already. So that is the essence. That is the beauty of chapati, the layers. And you can eat this chapati with egg, sauce, beans. You can even take it with tea. It's just like you're eating bread. Chapati is just like bread, like a normal Nigerian bread. You're eating bread with akara. You're eating bread with beans. You're eating bread with egg, fried egg. That is just the pattern. So it's just that their own is different from ours. This kind of food I think this is common in Pakistan, Bangladesh, India, they eat it too. I said, okay, Kenya too eats it. I think Zimbabwe, I think Zimbabwe eats chapati. Because I lived with Cyprus. When I went to Cyprus to study, I shared room with some Kenyan and Uganda students. So that's why I got to know how to eat chapati. Please watch this video to the end. Leave your thoughts in the comment section. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to it, please. So here now, you have to be flipping the chapati at every 10 seconds, so it will not get burnt. So see, you start seeing the little dark spots, brown spots. So this is the thing you need. You don't need it to burn, because if you leave it too much, it will burn. And when you are cooking it, you need to be pressing the middle, pressing it a little bit so that it will cook inside very well. And you need to be careful where you press so that it will not make it hard. Okay, please take your time, take a minute out of your time to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So this is the chapati. I finished making it, cooking it. So this is it now, my chapati. If you've watched this video to the end and find value in it, please subscribe to this channel, like and comment in the comment section. Thank you so much for supporting this channel to grow. I really appreciate you. Till I see you in my next video. Bye.